If you have dependents, loved ones, possessions, or even a desire to control what happens to you after you're gone, setting up an estate plan is paramount to making sure wealth remains in your family for multiple generations. Now, a common misconception is that estate planning is for millionaires or people with giant mansions, and that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, estate planning is for anyone who wants to have control over what happens to their assets, their family, and even their healthcare decisions later on. And in this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to put together your estate plan without losing your mind. You don't need a mansion or a yacht to do this, just a little bit of time and some basic documents. The first thing you'll want to do is set up a will. It's like leaving behind a map for all your possessions. Who gets to take over your investment accounts, who takes care of your kids and pets. This is all going to be outlined within the will. Most people hire an estate planning attorney, but there are some online tools that can help you whip up a basic will in no time. Just remember to get it signed and witnessed, otherwise it's as useful as a Netflix subscription without Wi-Fi. The next step you'll want to take is choosing a power of attorney, your real-life superhero. So this is a person that steps in if you're ever unable to make decisions. Whether you're on vacation in the Bahamas or temporarily out of commission, they've got your back. Just want to make sure you choose somebody you trust, like your best friend or somebody responsible. The third thing you'll want to do is to set up a healthcare directive, or as I like to call it, your medical GPS. Now, this document is going to guide doctors and hospitals on what to do if you can't speak for yourself. Do you want all the medical treatments possible, or do you prefer to keep things laid back? Now, trust me, having this sorted out ahead of time makes things a lot easier on your loved ones. Plus, it keeps everybody from arguing on what you would have wanted. If you have investment accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or even life insurance policies, then you've got beneficiaries and you need to make sure these are updated on a regular basis. You don't want to be the person that leaves everything to their ex from 10 years ago. It's an awkward process for everybody involved, so you want to make sure you're going through all your accounts and making sure the correct beneficiaries are listed. Last but not least, you'll want to organize and communicate your estate plan with your family. Once your estate plan is all set, don't lock it away. You want to make sure you tell your family where it's at and what exactly it said. Now let's recap the steps to your stress-free estate plan. You'll want to write your will, the game plan for all your possessions. You'll want to choose a power of an attorney, your superhero backup. You'll want to set up a healthcare directive, your medical GPS. You'll want to make sure your beneficiaries are updated to avoid surprises later on. And you'll want to organize and communicate your plan to your family members to make sure everybody's on the same page. So there you have it. Estate planning doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It's about making sure your wishes are respected and your loved ones are taken care of and your pets don't have to end up in the wrong hands. So hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe if you're feeling responsible today, and drop any questions you have in the comments. And remember, planning for the future means you can have peace of mind in the present. Take care.